in IAS, you need to
all are present over here. Today I am
motivational speech.
Next sometime.
Hello everybody. That's great. So everybody, success. Everybody wants to be successful in their life. So guys, motivation plays an immense role in everyone's life whenever people are getting demotivated or demoralized. So here we have motivational speech by Sir One. Let's give an energetic warm welcome to the Sir One के लिए जोरदार तालियां. Hello everybody. If you all, everybody wants to be successful, then listen attentively and carefully.
yes sir.
Also there, Carminati is also there. That means so many YouTubers also there. When the views are not coming in their channel, when the views are not coming in their videos, after that also they are putting the video, means uploading the video in the YouTube channel. And this consistency, just because of this consistency, make the Mr. Beast, make the Carminati the most richest YouTuber in the whole world. Just like in the business, just like in the IPS, just like in IAS, you need the consistency. You are reading the IAS for 1 day, 2 day, 3rd day you are taking leave, 4th day you are taking leave, 5th day you are taking leave. How can you become IAS? How can you become IPS? How can you become a police inspector in your life when you are not consistent in your life? You need the consistency daily. If you are doing something, you need to do something. Daily you need to walk on the path of your success. Daily you need to become consistent. Daily you need to bring patience in your life. ये ना 2 दिन मिक्स होता है ना, 2 दिन मैंने पढ़ाई करी, तीसरे दिन मैं पेपर दे दूंगा, मैं पास हो जाऊंगा. It can't happen. You need 1 year for cracking the boards exam also. You need 3 years for cracking your graduation also. So time takes. Patience matters. Discipline matters. For making body also. When you're making body, सुबह 6 बजे उठना पड़ता है, जिम जाना पड़ता है, एक्सरसाइजेस करने पड़ते हैं, तरह के करने पड़ते हैं, पसीना बहाना पड़ता है, क्रिएटिन मींस कोई भी सप्लीमेंट्स है तो सप्लीमेंट्स पीने पड़ते हैं. तो so many things you should do for making your body. अगर अपन 1 हफ्ता छोड़ दिया जिम, if you bring a break in your gym line, so again your body will lose the muscles, again your body will lose the strength, again your body will lose the stamina, and after that again you have to push your body to that much of level where you are. Do you know about a treadmill? You all know the treadmill? We can compare it to our life. Our life is just like a treadmill, and we have to just walk and running. Sometimes we have to run on it, sometimes we have to walk it, and when we will stop here, we will go backward to our like first position where we are. मैंने यहाँ से start करा था, हम एक स्टेप आ गए, थोड़ी देर रुके, दोबारा ही चले गए. मतलब ये क्या हुआ मेरे साथ? I am saying that you stops here, your life, you stops here working. That's why you come here again. That's why you stop. It is also teach us a lesson. Mukesh Ambani, it is also matters about the mindset, about the thoughts, about the steps which is taking about. अगर मैं if I'm saying like if I'm cheating someone, means copying someone, अगर मैं उसको कॉपी करता जा रहा हूँ, उसकी तरफ देखता जा रहा हूँ, एक दिन मैं उसको देखते खाई में गिर जाऊंगा. Like by seeing him, I will fall down in the I will fall down in a trench. I will fall down in a trench by copying others. Alan Musk ने किसको कॉपी नहीं किया? I will be trapped. Making bulb was a new innovation. Making fan was a new innovation. Making tube lights was a new innovation. Making TVs was a new innovation. Just like in your life, do not copy do not copy anyone by their failure, but do not copy their innovations. Do not copy their mindset. Copy means build your own mindset. Bring your own personality in front of the world that people will copy you. People will copy yourself. If someone is making tube light, bring some new innovations in the tube light and means bring some new innovations in that tube light board and say the word that it is my innovation. I bring it in the world. कार सब बनाते थे, सुपर कार किसी ने बना दी. बाइक सब बनाते थे, सुपर बाइक किसी ने बना दी. 350 सीसी सबके पास थी, 1200 सीसी किसी और ने बना दी. There is having name to the new innovations, not the copying. Not the copying. सारी बाइक माइलेज दे रही है, बस स्प्लेंडर ज्यादा दे रही है. सारी बाइकें माइलेज दे रही है. Every bike is giving the mileage of every bike is giving mileage, but in the field of mileage, the Splendor comes first. This thing you have to do in your life. Bring some new things, bring some new innovations, bring some new things that people will attract. People will see that give the reason that means give the reason to the people why they should choose you. मेरी तरह बहुत से पब्लिक स्पीकर है, मेरी तरह ही बहुत से पब्लिक स्पीकर है. मैं मेरे को पीपल को रीजन देना कि मेरे को क्यों सुने. I have to give reason to the people. Why should they listen me? Why should they listen me? I should give them that. I have to give them a reason. I should give them a reason. बहुत सारी एडिटिंग कंपनी है, बहुत सारी एडिटिंग कंपनीज है, बहुत सारे एडिटर्स है, बट मेरे को एक रीजन देना पड़ेगा कि मेरे पास एडिटिंग क्यों कराओ. That reason will change your life. That consistency will change your life. That patience will change your life. And it all matters. That's it.
सुपर से भी ऊपर. Hello ladies and gentlemen and respectful teachers and all my dear fans. This is me Nigam in front of you all. How are you all everybody? How are you all? I am not getting your voice. Speak together everybody. How are you all? That's great. First of all, I would like to thank to my both sir, Mr. Sanjeev sir and Mr. Suraj sir for having me this diamond opportunities, as well as I would like to thank all the viewers, all the spectators, all the companions, all the panelists who all are present over here. Today I am having a wonderful, beautiful, outstanding, remarkable topic. दूध में चावल डालने से खीर बनती है, कि दूध में चावल डालने से खीर बनती है और इंग्लिश सीखने से तकदीर बनती है. You know guys, I'm talking about very important topic which can change your life, which can change your future, which can change your career. Today I am going to talk about an important topic that is important, that is vital, that is essential for all of us in our whole life. What matters? There is only one thing. There is one language who can make you better. There is only one language who can change your future. There is only one language by that language you can fly high in the sky. There is one language you can shine like a sun. There is one language people will clap for yourself. There is only one language people will appreciate you, people will admire you, people will salute you. There is one only language. You know guys, there is only one language by which you can get the respect, you can get the love, you can get the value. You are poor, you can convert your life, you can convert the adversity into prosperity. There is only one language by which you can change your whole life, you can improve yourself, you can take yourself to the next level, you can become more better, you can become perfect, you can become incredible, you can become effective, you can become impactful, you can become splendid. There is only one language. Yes, you would be right. I am talking about the power of English language. The power of English language. You know guys, in this generation, how am I able to speak English here? Because of my English. Yes, you would be right. Absolutely right. I'm talking about the English language. I was speaking English in my school. You know, there I was getting the respect. Before I used to think I can't speak English. Before I used to sibling. Before I used to fumbling. Before I used to sibling. Whenever I used to come on the stage, I used to sibling. But now I can speak English with energy. I can speak English in the better way, in the proper way, in the amazing way. Because English language is very important. You know guys, if you are able to speak English, if you can speak English, if know the English, you can get respect everywhere. You can go to abroad. You can earn 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh. That is endless. You know, guys, you can earn a lot of money in your life because of the English language. You can do job in MNC company. Whatever do you want to become in your life, whatever you are having, any kind of dream, you can complete it all the dreams because of the English language. That is the English language. That is the power of English language. That is the power of language. And I am talking about the English language. You know, guys, in this generation, many people are becoming rich day by day because they are having the knowledge. They are having one communication skills by which, if you are having also communication skills, guys, you can do job in MNC company. You can do job everywhere. You can go in any field. Everywhere we need the communication skills. Everywhere we need the English language. If you want to become a doctor, if you want to become a teacher, if you want to become an engineer, if you want to become police, if you want to become anything in your life, if you want to become an actor, director, singer, musician, anything, whatever you want to become in your life, everywhere we need the communication skills. Everywhere we need the English language. That is the English language. That is the power of English language. When you speak in English on the stage with energy, people will clap for yourself. People will admire you. People will appreciate you. People will, say, hello, how are you? People will say, what are you doing? People will say, you are outstanding. People will say, you are amazing, grandiose, grandiloquent, splendid, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. By the English language. That is the English language. You know, guys, we can go abroad. People will say, oh my God, he's working in abroad because of the English language. I must have seen many people are there. They are saying I'm well educated. But I say, if you are not having communication skills, if you are not able to speak English, if you don't know how to speak English, you are not well educated. You are nothing. But when you know the communication skills, you are everything. When you know the English, when you can speak fluent English, that is why you are the great. Then you are educated. Otherwise, you are nothing, guys. Otherwise, you are nothing, guys. Otherwise, you can't be anything in your life. Because communication skills matters. Communication skills matters a lot in our life, in our future, in our career. For achieving a goal, for achieving a dream, for achieving an aim, what matters? So I say, according to myself, that is the English language. I am getting respect everywhere because of the English language. Before I used to think I can't speak English. Before I used to fumbling, simply. Before I used to hesitating. Before I used to fighting shy of coming on the stage. Before I used to afraid of coming on the stage. But now I can speak English with energy because I know the English. English is very important, guys. If you also want to become impactful, if you also want to become an incredible speaker, if you also want to become an effective speaker, if you also want to become a superstar, so come to New Generation Institute, run by Suraj Sastry. Come to New Generation Institute and join our institute. When you will join our institute, you will get the result. You will change your life. You will change your future career, and you will achieve all the dreams, guys. Thank you so much. You have been the great spectators, audience, and supercalifragilisticexpialidocious viewers of the day, guys. You have been the great spectators, audience of the day. Thank you so much for giving me your precious, valuable time. If you like this video, so like, subscribe, and share, and do comments as well as keep learning, keep improving, keep laughing, keep smiling, keep.
Okay. So hello everyone. Hello. You are not having energy, or are you mad or anything? Like you have not eaten the food? I'm saying the hello. That's great. So today is fantabulous task given by the Suraj sir, and my topic is that money. Like you all know, if you want to buy something, if you want to do, like if you want to go anywhere, if you want to do something, you need money.
And why money is so important? Because if people are there, they want you to become successful. Like society, if you are nothing in your life, you are not doing anything, you are not doing the job, you are not having the money, they will not respect you, they will not say anything to you. If you are having the money, if you are having the money, if you are having the respect by the people, they will encourage you, they will motivate you, everyone will be with you, and like your friends also respect you, your family member, your parents, your mother, your father. If you are not having money, what your father will say? You are nothing, you are not doing anything, you are useless in this earth, why I born you? That's all things, this all things they will say. But if you are having money, they will respect you, they will say you are the best child of my whole life, they will say this thing. But if you are not having money, they will just throw you, take you out of their house, and they will just leave you to live alone. But if you are having money, you have the choice, you have the choice to be alone or be with your family. If you are having money, so you can go anywhere, you will find the peace. If you are not having money, you will just stroll with your like the hunger friends, and they will just give you the drugs and that all things. You will just be in this like frivolous things. But if you are having money, you can choose everything, you can have the choice. And like you all know, choices matter a lot. If you are not having the choice, you cannot do anything. If you want to become something, like that's also important, like you also have to be educated. And how can you become educated? By the money. If you are not having the money, so you cannot become the educated person. If you are not having the money, you cannot do anything. Like if you wanna be something, if you wanna do anything, if you wanna buy something, if you wanna be rich, like some people are there who wanna be live alone, they will buy the private island, they will live there, they will just leave their some people are there who don't like the India, they will not like the America, they will go somewhere else if they are having the money. But if you wanna do, you are not having the money, you cannot do anything. If you wanna be something, if you wanna respect by the people, like some people are there who just suicide just because of the social media. Why? Social media, society will not respect them because of money. They are not having the money, they will not respect them, and they will just abuse you like you are nothing, you are just burden on the earth. They will just suicide about it, overthinking, and they will suicide. They will just think I'm nothing, they will be demotivated because they are not having money. So I want to say, be the richest person in your life. And how can you be the richest person? By being educated, by motivating yourself. If you are not having friends, you are alone, you are not having any person who will motivate yourself. If you are motivating yourself, you will become better. Because some person are there who will motivate you they are not, some people are there who will motivate you like that. You can do that thing that I have done. Some people are there who have said that I cannot become doctor, so you can also not become the doctor, and that's all things. Okay, so if some people are saying that you cannot become the doctor, like I have not become the doctor, so you cannot. I have not become the lawyer, so you cannot. Why? Because they are not become. So just motivate yourself.
Because they are not able to become.
Yeah, they are not able to become.
That's why they are saying
That's why they are saying to you cannot become. That's why they are saying to you that you cannot do anything. So motivate yourself, be motivated by yourself, and do anything you want.
listen others, listen to yourself.
Yes, not listen others, just listen yourself and be in yourself.
Those who are motivating you.
And listen to those who are motivating you. And according to me, there is no one who can motivate you. Only you are there who can motivate yourself. Okay. See yourself in the mirror and say, I can do it. I can do that all things. Who can do? Okay, that's it.
So hello everyone. Hello. How are you all? especially those who are having different personality. And I would like to say thanks to my both of sir, Suraj sir and Sanjeev sir, to having me this golden opportunity to speak here in front of you all. So here I'm gonna talk about a very interesting, not a topic, not a anything. I'm talking about a life. Means we are having a great life, but like sometime not like after like if you since our childhood, like our parents says like study, so we study, like everyone says like do this and that we do. But when we get mature, when we are coming in 8th class, after that we have to think ourselves, if we are having a life, so why we are having a great life. Means if we are having a great life, so we have to think that like we have to be like that or we have to change it. हम जैसे हमें वैसे ही रहना है, ऐसे ही ठीक है, फिर हमें चेंज करना है. We have to think about that. And after that we have to think about our goal. We have to choose a goal. We have to make a dream. Means there is the 3 steps. Like everyone's having a life, but there are 3 steps. Everyone having a life, and they're having a goal. But some people can achieve and some people can't. Why it's happening? We have to find it. So many people, there is many ways. Like if we want to be something now, so first the time management we should have, because if once time gone, it's never come back, right? Time एक बार चला गया वो वापस नहीं आएगा. So we have to manage our time. If we are in 8th class, since we have to start thinking like what is our goal, what I have to become, and in which I'm interested, in which thing if I am thinking that I have to be that, so I'm getting happiness in this thing, right? Like many big like IPS are there, like the children of IPS, like their parents says do that, and their children's like by the force of their parents they do that, and if they don't crack that exam of NEET, exam of IPS, they suicide, right? So I think like you also think by your mindset, like it's true that like if you are getting fail and we are doing suicide, it's a life. No, it's not a solution. It's not a solution to achieve something in our life. Like only a big many people are there to do like this. If they not crack the exam of NEET, they not crack the exam of IPS, they do suicide. But I said, ठोकरें खाई नहीं जिंदगी में तो जिंदगी की अहमियत क्या जानोगे? ठोकरें खाई नहीं जिंदगी में तो जिंदगी की अहमियत क्या जानोगे? अगर टकराए नहीं गलत से तो सही को कैसे पहचानोगे? Means if we wanna achieve something and we are doing something and we are getting failed, don't worry, don't get worried. If we are having a problem, we have to find it. The problem is small, but we make it very big. प्रॉब्लम छोटी होती है, बस हम उसको बड़ा बना देते हैं. Who make we? Because like take the example of one thing. If we are taking one pen for 5 minutes like this, so the pen weight is this much. But if we are doing like this now, if you are waiting this pen like 1 hour, 2 hour, हमारा हाथ दुखने लग जाएगा, right? तो अगर if we take a problem and if we don't like solve that problem and we will leave that problem like just leave do another, क्या होगा? Problem बड़ी होती जाएगी. If the problem become big, so what we think? We don't have any solution. Oh my God, what should I do? Just because of my family members, just because of my friend, just because of my teacher, I am having this much of pressure. Now what should I do? And many people they think like that and they do suicide. Means we are making the problems big and we are doing suicide. It's not true. It's not a solution. If we are having problem, we have to solve it. We have to find it. If we are having every people, if we talk about there is a 2 person. If a person is becoming something in their life and the person who is not becoming something in their life, कुछ तो different होगा उनके बीच में. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि like the person who becomes something उसके पास जादू था और वो बन गया. No, he do smart work and hard work. He is having a patience. If he gets failed, like many people they become something now, they get failed some, like many people वो fail जरूर होते होंगे, फेल होते होंगे नहीं, होते हैं, लेकिन वो हार नहीं मानते. They don't give up. They go ahead. They find a ways. If they think that if I fall down there, तो उस टाइम पे आगे से ना वो संभल के चलना सीखेंगे. They learn how to go ahead and how to how to lift my step next. मतलब हमें अगला स्टेप हमें कैसे रखना है, वो चीज वो संभल के करेंगे, राइट. बट if we think like कि बिना फेल हुए हम कुछ अगर कर ले, it's not so. And if we're thinking now, like many people say like it should be happen if we are having a money, so we can if we are having a money, so we can like without facing any problem we can achieve. ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? पैसे भी होगा. If we are having a money but without facing anything, can we become something? No. और इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है भाई. अगर हम कुछ करे बिना बन भी जाते ना, if you are becoming something in our life ना without doing anything, and like our father is a businessman. Okay, our father is a businessman, and like if like sometimes it happen ना like कि जब पापा मर जाते तो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या होती है, उनकी चाइल्ड को दे दी जाती है. तो वो क्या मतलब वो पूरी प्रॉपर्टी हमें दे दी गई है, and we become a businessman. कुछ इंटरेस्ट होगा इसमें, कुछ यादें रहेगी. There is some memories that how I achieve that. No, and everyone what said? The people, the society, what said? Like अरे बाप के टुकड़े पे पल रहा है, चाचा के टुकड़े पे पल रहा है, ये सुनना हमें. No, we have to make our name. We have to show ourselves. Who am I? How can? By our hard work and by our thought. It's like we have to change our thought. We have to make our mind positive, not a negative. If people is saying to you na, you can't do anything, take in a positive way, and so that people after 4 years, after 5 years, that you are saying na, I cannot do. I do it. See me. I do it, right? So you have to show that people, not like people is saying and you are taking in a negative way and लोगों ने मैं कर नहीं सकता, सच में नहीं कर सकता. अरे ये बोल रहा था. He was saying literally I can't do. But no, the people who said, the people who can't achieve something in their life, they people said. लेकिन like someone say ना, do that, do this all this. No, सुना सबकी, but करनी किसकी? अपनी. Listen everyone, silently, but do what you want. Because if people will say like become a doctor, there is so value. Become an engineer, there is so value. Become a artist, there is so value. But जिसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है ना, जिसमें आपकी खुशी नहीं है, there is no happiness of yours. I think you should not do. And if your parents is also forcing do that, so show your parents like what talent you have, what you wanna be, what you wanna achieve. Show your parents and do that things in which things you have interest. And if you are getting failed, don't worry. Change the way, think positive, change your mind and put the efforts so you can achieve. That's it.